Hello friends, I am Shubham Sharma from Toppersnotes. This video is about NEET PG handwritten notes which are provided by Toppersnotes. Let's unbox this parcel and have a look over the subjects. So friends, here we have 13 books.
So friends, first book we have is anatomy. As you can see, there is an index over here. On each and every page there is a diagram which will help students to read and learn things. Let's have a look over the next one. It's physiology. Wherever there is a need of a diagram, you will find it. Next book we have is biochemistry. Here is the index. Let's look over the next book. Here we have is forensic medicine and microbiology. Here is the index. Things have been explained. There is a star over here, means these points have been important. Pathology. Here is the index. Let's go to the next book, which is pharmacology. Here is the index. Which is social and preventive medicine. Cardiology, general oncology. Which is general surgery. Each and every topic has been covered deeply. The next subject, which is ophthalmology and pediatrics, the index. Which is orthopedics, psychiatry and radiology. Which is anesthesia, dermatology and ENT. Gynecology and obstetrics.
So friends, if you found this video informational, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And for further details, you can visit our website. For that, the link is given in the description below. Thank you friends.